Hi friends, good morning. So let us continue our coordinate geometry chapter. See, today's first problem is A23 B3 comma minus 6 C5 comma minus 7 B 3 points. If P is a point satisfying the condition PA square plus PB square is equal to 2 into PC square. PA square plus PB square is equal to 2 into PC square. Then a point that lies on the locus of P. So we have to find the locus of P. Very simple problem. We have to find the locus of P, and four options are given. We have to find the point which lies on the locus of P. So first thing is we have to find the locus of P. Say Pxy. What is the condition given for us? PA square plus PB square is equal to 2 into PC square. So Pxy, PA square plus PB square is equal to 2 into PC square. So x minus 2 whole square. See friends, distance between P and A, PA square, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square, this is PA square, plus PB square, x minus 3 whole square plus y minus of minus 6, y plus 6 whole square is equal to 2 into PC square, x minus 5 whole square plus y minus of minus 7, y plus 7 whole square. This is the condition, friends. PA square plus PB square is equal to 2 into PC square. Right, friends? See, x square, 2x square, x square term gets cancelled, and also y square term also gets cancelled. Y square, here 1y square, 2y square, 2 here right side 2y square. So 2y square, y square term also gets cancelled. Now what are the terms remaining? X term, y term, constant term. These three terms are remaining. That is the locus of P. Okay. See, x square plus 4 a square plus a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 2's 4x plus a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 3's 6y plus x a square plus b square 9 minus 2 3's 6x, a minus b whole square term, friends, a square x square term gets cancelled, plus b square minus 2ab plus y square gets cancelled, b square plus 2ab, 2 6's 12y. This is equal to 2 into see a square plus b square minus 2 5's 10x plus 7 7's 49 plus 2 7's 14y. A square term gets cancelled, friends. So minus 4x minus 6x minus 10x minus 6y minus 4x minus 6x minus 10x minus 6y plus 12y plus 6y. Y term is also over, and constant term 9 plus 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 9, 22, 22 plus 36, 58 is equal to minus 10x, 2 into minus 10x, minus 20x, 14y plus 28y, 25 plus 49, 74, 74, 2's 148. So, minus 20x, let us come to this side, minus 20 plus 20x, 20x minus 10x, 10x, 6y minus 28y, that is minus 22y, plus 58 minus 148 minus 90 is equal to 0. This is the equation, friends. 10x, this is the equation, this is the locus of P. This is the locus of P. 10x minus 22y minus 90 is equal to 0. This is the locus of P. What is the question? See, some 4 points are given. What is the point that lies on the locus of P? So we have to see this point in the 4 options given. This point minus 13 and minus 10. Minus 13 and minus 10 satisfies this equation, friends. See, 10 into minus 13 minus 130 minus 22 into minus 10 minus 22 into minus 10 plus 220 minus 90. So 130 plus 90, 220 minus 220 plus 220 minus 220 plus 220 is equal to 0. So clearly friends, the point minus 13 minus 10 lies on the locus of P. So this is of course this simplification is a little bit, but overall the problem is the process of the problem is very simple. Let us say Pxy, and you have to equate, you have to use this condition, Pa square plus Pb square is equal to 2 into Pc square. By simplification, you will get an equation, linear equation in x and y, which is the locus of P, and substitute the given points, and among the given 4 points, 1 point will satisfy this equation. So that point is our answer. Here minus 13 comma minus 10 satisfies this equation. So next question, friends. This question is over, friends. And friends, find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of A12, A12 and B5 minus 1. B5 minus 1. This AB is a line segment, friends. AB is a line segment. What is the thing we want? Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of A12 and B5 minus 1. So very simple problem, friends. Very simple problem. We want the equation of the perpendicular bisector. So, perpendicular bisector means this line divides equally, line segment AB equally. So, this point is the midpoint of AB. So, the coordinates of this point can be written 1 plus 5, 6 by 2, 3, 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. So, 3, 1 by 2 is the point. Right friends, we know point on the line. So now we want the slope of that line. Point to slope. If these two things are known, then y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 to find the equation of a line. So we know the point. We know the point on this line, that is midpoint of these 2 points. Perpendicular bisector. It divides AB in equal ratio. So this point becomes the midpoint of AB. 1 plus 5 by 2, that is 3. 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. And we want the slope of this line. Since this line is perpendicular to AB, let us find the slope of AB. Let us find the slope of AB. Slope of AB. Y2 minus Y1. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. So AB slope. The slope of AB is minus 3 by 4. Now slope of our line, that is perpendicular, say L, is equal to 4 by 3. Reversed and sign is changed. We have to reverse and the sign has to be changed to get the slope of a line perpendicular to something. So now we have slope m is equal to 4 by 3 and point is 3 comma 1 by 2. Now we can find the equation y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. x1 is equal to 3. So 2y minus 1 by 2 is equal to 4 by 3 into x minus 3. 2 into 4, 8x. 2 into 4, 8x minus 8 3 is 24 is equal to 3 2's 6y minus 3 1's 3. So 8x minus 6y minus 24 plus 3 minus 21 is equal to 0. So 8x minus 6y minus 21 is equal to 0. This is the required equation, friends. So this is the equation of the perpendicular bisector. So we found the point. This is the midpoint, since this is the bisector, and we know the slope of, we can find the slope of this line. So we can find the slope of AB, and the slope of AB is reversed and sign changed, then we get the slope of L. So by knowing the slope and point, we can find the equation 8x minus 6y minus 21 is equal to 0. Okay friends, now let us see one more problem. See friends, this is also very important problem, friends, which we are going to discuss now. Find the equation of a line through the point 1 3 and the point of intersection of the lines 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. And 4x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. We want the equation of a line through the point 1 3 and the point of intersection of these two lines. So in general, see, this can be done in two ways, friends. Normally the equation of a line through the intersection of two lines is equal to, this plus lambda into this is equal to 0. Equation of a line through the point of intersection of two lines is equal to this plus lambda into this is equal to 0, and you substitute, since that is passing through 1, 3, you can substitute 1, 3 and find the value of lambda. So that is one thing. And other thing, see friends, see, we want the equation of a line through this point and the point of intersection of these two lines. We can find the point of intersection of these two lines by solving these two equations. By solving these two equations, let us do in both the ways, friends. You can select the better way, whichever you feel comfortable. So let us solve these two lines. We get another point. First line is 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 4, and the second line 4x plus y is equal to 1. 4x plus y is equal to 1. Let us multiply the second equation with 3. 3 12s, 3 4s, 12x plus 3y is equal to 3. By adding, you get minus 3y plus 3y cancels. 14x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 by 14. So 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 4 here. 4x minus y is equal to 1. Okay, instead of x is equal to minus 1 by 14. So this becomes lengthy, it seems. Okay, let us go in that way, because x is equal to minus 1 by 14. Equation of a line through the point of intersection of these two lines is 2x minus 3y plus 4 plus lambda into 4x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the required equation, friends. This is the required equation. Equation of a line through the point of intersection of two lines is this. This line passing through 1, 3. So let us substitute x1, y3. Then we get lambda. And again we can substitute lambda here. Okay, friends. 2 into 1, 2. Minus 3 into 3, 9. Plus 4. Plus lambda into 4 into 1, 4. Plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 minus 9 minus 3 plus 4 plus 3. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 lambda is equal to 0. 6 lambda is equal to 3. Lambda is equal to 1 by 2. Lambda is equal to 1 by 2. So by substituting lambda is equal to 1 by 2, we get the required equation, friends. See, 2x minus 3y plus 4 plus 1 by 2 into 4x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 2's 4x minus 2 3's 6y plus 8 plus 4x plus y minus 1 is equal to 2 into 0, 0. 4x plus 4x, 8x minus 6y plus y minus 5y, 8 minus 1, 7. 8x minus 5y plus 7 is equal to 0, friends. This is your answer, friends. See, friends, by solving these two equations, we can find the point, and from that point and from this point, we can find the equation of the line. No problem. First, I tried in that way, but we are getting fractions, x and y values are getting fractions, then it becomes more complicated. So instead you can go by this way. This is a standard way, all of you might be knowing. So this is one important problem, friends, and let us do last problem in our section for today. Friends, same thing, this is also equation of a line passing through the point of intersection of the lines 4x plus 7y minus 3, 4x plus 7y minus 3 is equal to 0, and 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. See, find the equation of the line passing through the point of intersection of the lines this and this that has equal intercepts on the axis. That has equal intercept on the axis. So, equal intercepts in the sense the equation must be x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, intercept form. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Since the intercepts are equal, x by a plus y by a is equal to 1. So, x plus y is equal to a. This is our equation. X plus y is equal to a. See, we want the equation of the line. We want the equation of the line through the point of intersection of these two things. Now let us do this problem by solving these two equations. And finding the values of x and y, so that we can substitute here the values of x and y, and we can find a. Okay, friends. See, by multiplying 4x plus 7y is equal to 3. This is the first equation. And second equation, this is first equation, this is second equation. I am multiplying the second equation with 2. 2 2's 4x minus 2 3's 6y is equal to minus 2. 4x plus 7y is equal to 3. This is first equation. Second equation, 2 2's 4x minus 2 3's 6y is equal to minus 2. Minus plus x term gets cancelled. 13y is equal to 5. 13y is equal to 5, and y is equal to 5 by 13. Y is equal to 5 by 13. And the second thing, by substituting y value in any one of the equations, 4x plus 7y is equal to 3. 4x plus 7y is equal to 3. 4x is equal to 3 minus 35 by 13. 13 3's 39. 39 minus 35, 4 by 13. 4x is equal to 4 by 13, x is equal to 1 by 13. So friends, x is equal to 1 by 13, y is equal to 5 by 13. So by substituting these values in this equation, we get the value of a. 1 by 13 plus 5 by 13 is equal to a. 6 by 13, a is equal to 6 by 13. So now x plus y is equal to 6 by 13. 13x plus 13y. 13x plus 13y is equal to 6, or 13x plus 13y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the required equation, friends. 13x plus 13y minus 6 is equal to 0. See, friends, this is a simple problem. In fact, since this is a intercept form, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, first thing. And he said the problem is the intercepts are equal intercepts. Then x by a plus y by a is equal to 1, x plus y is equal to a. Here we have to find the value of a. So since this line is passing through the intersection of these two lines, by solving these two lines, we found the point of intersection. And by substituting these values, we got the value of a. Okay, friends. Tomorrow we shall see some more problems. Have a nice day.